Okay, so I'm now finishing up the community round robin. I have my 4 blocks joined together to have borders around them that are black. And what I've decided to do is I'm going to add a black border around the inside of the quilt, and then I'm going to do piano keys, and I have a couple little neat cutouts that I'm going to do in the corner just to add some continuity and jazz it up a little bit. Sorry for the quality of this video. This is my backup design wall because the other one is full right now. So I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. So here it is. It's all done with the piano key border. I really like how it turned out, and thank you so much for following along on this. The video description has the content creators who actually put this round robin together. So until next time, sew safely and sew with Debee. Have a great day.